Okay, you may think this is sad, but see this wood beaded placemat? Actually looks like a little rug, but it actually is smaller than this picture shows on this little video. But okay, so I got this for $1. Let's see. Got this for $1.99 at Goodwill. And I'm going to cut it up and release these wood beads, and I am going to use them and make a with some other wood beads that I have, and make a, what do you call it, you know, like a hanging beaded passageway between the coffee shop and the store. So anyway, I just thought I would share that with you. Oh, I guess you can't see me snapping this here. Let me see if I can get this one. There we go. Yeah, see, I just snapping these beads right here. Anyway, I'll pull them apart and put them in this container for now, this tin over here, and maybe show you something later. Okay, bye.